You get him?
Yeah, I got him. Yep. There you go, man. Oh, that works. Cool. Watch the world burn.
What's going on, YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. And based on the title and thumbnail in this video, you guys know that we're going to be trying out the Stage 2 tune on my 2013 WRX. I've been having issues with the PO420 code. Right now it's on a Stage 1 tune, and I have a aftermarket catback, and that's about it on the car. The PO420 code is a catalyst efficiency code, so the catalytic converters are having issues, probably because I just have a straight pipe from the catback. On the actual Cobb access port, it recommends running a Stage 2 tune if you are having PO420 code errors, and supposedly it's supposed to take care of it. So also, I believe it's going to up the horsepower just a little bit, so we might get a little bit more power out of it. If you guys have seen my previous videos, the best time that I've had out of Rexy is a 13.5 at 99 in the quarter mile. So we're going to pull the access port out of the car here, and we'll take it in, get the Stage 2 tune downloaded, put onto the car. Then in a couple days here, you guys will see in the next clip, I'll be taking Rexy up to the racetrack, and running some quarter mile times to see if we got some improvements, and I'll also let you guys know if it took care of the check engine code. So yeah guys, let's get into it. Alright guys, we're gonna try a new little camera angle out here. They don't have enough guys for the Gamblers race, so we're just gonna be in test and tune and try to get some cool races in. And we are going to try to trap 100 in the quarter mile. We'll try that. I've been at 99 every time. I pulled some weight out, so yeah, we'll see how we do. Either one. Yeah, it's all good. Yep, yes sir, that's cool. He's got a big intake on it, and he's got some Cobb stickers, so should have some stuff done to it. It'll probably be pretty quick. Good little race. Didn't hit 100 though. It looked like that was about a 98 or 99. It's hot out, guys.
Dan's got him. Was he? Oh. Damn. Dan hit 98. Dan didn't get the 100 club. Damn. That's too bad. Thank you. $13.08 at 98. So yeah, our Stage 2 tune hasn't done anything. And that's, I'll say that that's because of the components. If I have a high flow downpipe, it should definitely take care of that. But yeah, I don't know. The little bit of weight that I took out, I don't know if that's, I don't know how much that'll do.
Having our streetcar gambler race here.
Hey, you know what lane they're doing gamblers?
Some form of exhaust.
They haven't called it yet.
$10.
Okay, they haven't.
I don't think.
I just heard gamblers. I didn't know if they said. Okay.
Seems pretty quick. How much boost is that? 20?
Oh, that was 15.
Okay.
Yeah. I think I need a higher flow downpipe if I want to meet 18. But yeah, maxed at 1494 right there.
And
So-
I'll go ahead and call it down now, actually. If I have any
Yeah, they're doing gamblers.
tire gamblers that want to come down, bring a $10 bill to lanes 11 and 12.
11, 12.
Okay, cool.
We'll give you a one-time trial
What's up?
out of 11
What'd you get,
and
Skip?
12 to
13.8.
our buy run.
It's hot, and I think I need a higher downpipe, higher flow downpipe. I think it's choked up. It's not going to hit that 18.
What'd you run? 14 pounds?
1494, so about 15. So yeah, I think that's as much as I'm going to get out of the stock downpipe. But
It might be
so
that 1350 range.
yeah.
Well, fucking give her house.
Yep. Yep. There you go, man. Oh, that works. Cool. Perfect. We're going against the EcoBoost again. There we go. Time trial pass number 1 complete, or technically number 2. 13.8 at 97. So we got two 13.8s, guys. This was a 13.86. This was a 13.80. My reaction time was 0.08. So I mean, I killed him at the light. He had a 0.3. This one I had a 0.04, guys. So I am killing the fucking lights.
Just got one more car here.
So I mean, if I can kill the light and run pretty close to my dial-in time, I got this in the bag. Like, I think running those race cars helped me out a lot with reaction time. Plus, I'm in a stick shift. He's in an auto. 13.79 will do. He's running 14 something, so he's going just a little bit before me. He red lit, I want it. He red lit, I want it.
Damn, dude, you got him.
He red lit. Yep.
Oh, he red lit?
He red lit, yeah.
You beat him anyway, didn't you?
I did too, though. I red lit. He red lit just a little bit more than me, though. So I still got him. But,
Later, buddy.
yeah, we ran 13.76. I dialed in at 13.79, so I ran a little bit under, too.
Okay.
So I'm going to dial in at like I'm going to change my dial in down to probably a 13.75.
Okay.
Just so I have a little bit more leeway, because I did run a little quicker. The humidity's going down, I think.
Alright.
So we're gonna lower it down and we're going to second round. Guys, we're dialed in at 1369 for some good luck. And then we're not racing that Corvette, actually. I'm racing the Subaru Crosstrek behind me. So he's gonna be going a lot sooner than me. He's running a 1675. I see in my mirror. So I'm gonna have to sit here for about 3 seconds. I'm gonna have to chill and just get a good light. we'll just have to watch him. If I shoot out in front of him, I'll hit the brakes right at the end, but he doesn't have nitrous on the cross check, so I don't have to worry about that. Good light. Let off. Good light. Let off.
6.9, nice.
Good reaction.
Catch him up, Dan. It's the other Subaru. Okay, yeah.
Yes, dude. Yes. Let's fucking go. We did it. What did we run? 1395. It took off a good bit, me mashing the brakes. He had a 0.4 reaction time, so he had almost a half a second reaction time, which is pretty slow. And then I had a 0.08 reaction time, so I fucking nailed the tree, dude.
You get him?
Yeah, I got him.
Yeah, I saw you brake at the end. I'm like, don't break out, don't break out, don't break out.
Well, so like he had a half a second reaction time on that. I had a 0.08, so like I killed the tree.
Yeah, your reaction was.
And so I flew up by him, and I saw him, and I was like, dude, I have no idea what the fuck I'm gonna run. So I mashed the brakes,
That's
but
what
I knew
you did.
I was out in front of him far enough where he wasn't gonna catch me.
That's all you got to do is just stay out in front of him.
Yeah.
That's it.
So I didn't stand on him, but I got on him, so I slowed down a bit, and he stayed right at my door.
Yeah.
And I got 13.9 for hitting the brakes. So I mean, it took off a good 3/10. I just killed him on the tree, so it was pretty easy.
I'd say probably check out your probably don't give your 1,000 foot.
My 60 foot was at a 1.9.
Yeah, check your compare your 8th mile time with your last one. See how your 8th mile's looking.
This 8th mile was 8.8. This was the last one. 9.1. So
310. So you're running a little hotter. So
yeah, 3/10 off. So technically I probably just calculate that 3/10 faster. If I stayed in that and I ran a 7.6 last time, well, I probably run about a 13.60.
yeah, if anything, you want to go a little bit slower, just keep the nose out.
Yeah, because I was gonna say, like, I mean, that was pretty easy because I knew he was way out in front of me, and I could just calculate how I was railing him in. And then once I got out in front of him, I was like, I mean, he doesn't have nitrous on a cross check, so I was okay. But so then I just stayed on it, and I kept him right at my door. So
yeah, I think your 1460 is pretty good.
So
or 1360.
1360.
In that range, 1360.
Okay, because if that's still a little too fast, I'll at least be able to brake at the end. So.
Yep.
All right. Fuck yeah, dude. We're going back. Well, top 5 it looks like. We got me, we got Challenger, we got an Acura, we got a Mustang, and I don't know what that is. So, top 5. We're staying at 1369, so hopefully that brings us some good luck. If I get out in front of them, at least I can back off and kind of time it to them. I like that idea. I don't know who I'm running though. .392. He's running a 1220. I'm 1369, so I'm going first. Damn, dude. So we don't know what we're gonna be running here. This is gonna be a tough one. Just get a good light, see where he's at. He's gonna be coming up on me, so just don't break out. I gotta time it to get there when he does. Hopefully he'll get a red light or something. We'll see. Just run my race. I can wait all day, buddy. You're good. Good light. Stay in it. Good light. Stay in it. Out in front of me, but I might have pushed him under. I don't know. They don't have the wind lights going, guys. I don't know. Something tells me this guy's on his dial-in, but I don't know. You get me? Yeah. Thank you, man. Appreciate it. Oh, let's see what happened. 1369. Oh man, dude, I ran a 14.0. God damn. He dialed in at 1220, ran a 12.3. Yeah, I was so off my dial-in, dude. And I had a 1.6 reaction, so I mean, my reaction was a little bit slow too. Hey, it happens, dude. That's some seat time, manual transmission. You know, I can make all the excuses in the book, but that's all she wrote.
That's all she wrote.
Yeah, I had a pretty slow shift from first to second, and he beat me at the tree pretty good. So
It doesn't show your reaction time, so.
Yeah, no, I had a 0.16 reaction. He had a 0.08. So I mean, he had about a tenth on me at the tree.
Yeah.
And then he had, let's see, he dialed in at 1220, ran 12.3. So he was about 0.18 off of his dial-in. I dialed in at 1369, had a slow shift, had a slow reaction time, and ran a 14.0. So that's all it was. But I will, that's why we're building a little bracket car. So yeah, guys, leave a like, subscribe. I'll see you in the next video.